All right, that was half of my large packet of little Smokies. And I just wrapped each of these into a piece of bacon cut into thirds. All right, we are just gonna transport our little Smokies here into our skillet. All right, now that we've got all our little Smokies into our pan, I'm grabbing 2 sticks of butter and taking them to the stove. All right, we've got our 2 sticks of butter in there, and I'm coming in with our brown sugar here. I'm gonna do a whole cup of brown sugar, but I'm just gonna eyeball it. That looks pretty good to me. Can never go wrong with mo sugar, mo butter, mo better. All right, we're gonna start letting this butter get melted, incorporating with this brown sugar. I mean, wow, brown sugar and butter is really one of the main tastes of the holidays. And I think y'all are really gonna love this neat little treat and wanna serve this at your holiday party or really any time of year. Alrighty y'all, our caramel sauce is bubbling up. It is looking perfect and delicious. We just let this get to mixing for a couple minutes, and now we're ready for our next step. Bringing our caramel sauce over to our counter here, to our little Smokies. We are just gonna start smothering these Smokies in our caramel sauce. And I'm gonna be sure to use all of this. I do not wanna waste any of it. So I'm just gonna keep going around until we've got these delicious little Smokies all covered.
You read my mind.
Perfect. Alrighty, y'all. I'm gonna pop this in our oven at 375 for 25 minutes. Alrighty, everybody. We had these baking for 30 minutes just to make sure that bacon was all cooked. Now I'm just gonna stick toothpick in these and start plating them up here. This is such a delicious appetizer to serve to your guests for the holidays. All right, we're just grabbing our last little Smoky out of here. And y'all, depending on how many guests you have, this is ready to bake your next batch in. You can just reuse this same caramel. And I'm gonna find a spot for this guy, because y'all, it's time to take these out and serve them for Christmas Eve. You gotta try it.